All right, this morning I changed a serpentine belt in a 2007 Dodge Ram with a 6.7 liter diesel in it, and it was a pain. All right, don't have any idea why the belt came off in the first place because all the pulleys seem to be in good shape. So unless something like the air compressor pump is freezing up, or alternator or power steering has a internal problem that I'm not able to see, we're just going to give this a try and see if it takes care of the issue. It came off unexpectedly on the owner, and I just came up and put another one on because the one that was on it got kind of tore up when it came off and got caught up into everything. And two of the things that I want to point out here that would make this job easier for somebody else is the fact that when you're putting the serpentine belt on, it does not go around the fan. You don't have to feed it through the fan blades to get it on. It kind of works itself around. Look up the diagram on YouTube. There's a lot of guys that show you how the routing goes, but one of the things is on the tensioner, when you're putting the serpentine belt on, take and put the ribbed part between the block and the tensioner pulley, and that'll get you in the right direction. And then when you're putting it between the crank and the pulley that runs the fan, the serpentine ends up going down, so the smooth part is facing up as you're pushing it through. One other tip that made it a little easier is and I found this on YouTube, where you take your breaker bar and it almost goes in straight up and down for it to line up to the holes that you can barely get the breaker bar into. But take a ratchet strap and hook over the end, and over here I was able to stick a screwdriver into this hole right here and tie the ratchet strap over to the breaker bar that hooked onto the tensioner. But that made it so that I had both hands free while I was getting that serpentine belt put on. All right, thanks again for watching.